We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
If you see a sign for Hakka Tangyuan on an alley off Taipei's Nanjing East Road, stop by to meet a man who is avid about all things Hakka. In particular, Xu Shifan loves the Hakka language and, despite a poor education, writes poetry in his free time. In between boiling the dumplings, if he isn't on the phone airing his views on a Hakka radio program, he's scribbling away with his pen. Xu began writing 10 years ago to help ease the pain of losing his son in a lethal house fire. At the time, Xu says he was so distraught he considered suicide. Instead, he turned to writing. He now has several thousand poems that he carries with him in 2 cardboard boxes. Friends urged him to enter a Hakka songwriting competition, and with the help of a famous Hakka musician, Xu's work gained second place. Xu says he sells tangyuan for a living, but his poetry is his real love. So if you do stop by for dessert at Xu Shifan's shop, don't be put off by the faraway look in the old boss's eyes. Hey everyone, it's our Hakka lesson of the day, and I'm back. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。Christopher， 你見本意看起來變到皮鼓鼓的哦。
等一下，我听得懂一點啦。你說我怎麼我看起來什麼屁鼓鼓的？
不是
屁股哦，有啦，有皮夾在這裡，對不起，拿出來就好了。
過年太之後啊，過了年之後你看起來皮鼓鼓的。
我過完年之後看起來像屁股啊？不對，到底是什麼？
胖胖的，
胖胖的，哎呦，屁咕咕就是胖胖的，是不是？
屁咕咕哎
！Oh my goodness！
哦，你是太好嘞
！Oh my goodness！ 屁咕咕 means you look a little chubby. Alice, you're not supposed to talk about this on the air with everyone, but you know what? I have to admit, winter, it's so cold. You have a lot of food, hot pots, fat stuff. Anyways, I need to go work out. Okay, so we should learn this, okay? 胖嘟嘟就是chubby fat, 屁咕咕哎。那倒过来好了 ，the opposite 的话，这个瘦skinny。再讲一次。
超夾夾的。
超夾夾的。
yeah。
超夾夾的 that means you're very skinny, huh? 就是有點瘦巴巴的那種感覺。So let's just review that one more time. If you are chubby, you say
屁咕咕哎。
屁咕咕哎就是圓嘟嘟、胖嘟嘟的啊。那 if you're skinny, 瘦巴巴，
超夾夾的。
超夾夾的。So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我太假。
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.